Hey guys, today I'm back with another 3 a.m. video and we are going to be, look how dark it is outside, and we are going to be playing on Baby Stuff and seeing what it's like, okay? So first we're going to start with a scooter. We've already got 3 toys to play with. I've only planned 3 toys. So,
Hold on. We'll be back up now.
oh, and everyone's got this.
Hey Len, I've got a pin and a light. I can't hang it up. They take the pins down.
Okay, next we're going to be going shopping with a baby trolley. So we'll get a cutie pie mug. And push it down. There we go.